All right, guys, here's the update. I know in the last video I didn't tell you guys where it is and what time it's going to start, so we found that out now. What we're going to do is the first class will be on the 12th of December. As you can tell by this my new and used appliance store sign, 302. It's located in Laurel, Delaware. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hours south of Baltimore. So most of you guys that fly in will be coming in the BWI, and we're gonna have transportation pick you up. Also, you can drive, of course. You're more than welcome. What I want to do here shortly is show you a little bit of the progress that they've made with the classroom. They had to paint it, and they're starting to get it ready. It should be done by, the guy is telling me, the end of the week or the beginning of next week. So let's take a look. So this is the inside of the classroom. I don't know if I showed you guys. I don't think I did. Initially, all the walls and everything was black. So they had to really apply new coats of paint for the classroom. This classroom right here will hold at least 16 people comfortably. We're probably leaning towards 10 to 12 initially. The appliances are going to be in the back there. They're not quite done with that. A couple of them may be inside, but we're not going to overcrowd it. You can see the paint buckets. And again, the first 20 will get the course for $1299.95, so $1,300. The other guys will get it for, you might well say $1,500. Now, that includes our online course. Now, don't forget, guys, as you sign up now, the online course is a lifetime membership with lifetime updates, 95% step-by-step videos. Some of the guys can do that course that are far away and don't want to come to the hands-on with no problem. One guy sent me a comment on YouTube, are we going to provide tech support? Yes, we do provide live tech support, and you'll get a lot of bonuses with this real hands-on training. So again, first 20, it's gonna be $1,300. Everyone after that, $1,500. Now, how long is the course? The course, and this course will be 5 days for those that are taking the appliance training only. Those that get appliance training plus the Business Pro, you know, that's where you get the website, the forms, and all of that. And don't forget, through our appliance training, you also will get free manual. I'm going to put that up in subsequent videos. You get a lot more than what you think with our course. So that it will be 5 days, Monday through Friday. And those that do the business side, you will have an extra day on Saturday. I don't think it'll last all day, but it might. We'll find out after the first class. We're going to go a little deeper with you in the business side. So I just wanted you to know that. Now go to the website, cornerstoneappliancetrainingcourse.com. I'll have it at the bottom of this video. And what's going to happen there is you're going to learn a lot more details, like airport, transportation, class times, what's taught on certain days, things of that nature. I also plan to do a weekend course, probably refrigerators, maybe even washers and dryers, because some people just want a weekend course. But this course, 5 days, Monday through Friday, for appliance training, we're going to touch on all major appliances. Also, you're going to get the fundamentals, so it's going to be a detailed, awesome class. So hopefully to see you guys there. I'm going to list the next class date probably up until at least March. for those of you that can't make December the 12th. Now, for those of you that want to drive, there will be secure parking, so don't have to worry about that. Or we will provide transportation so you can get here on time with class.